in powder form, millets being blended with any other atta, for instance, where the millet's composition is 70%, if sold in other than pre-packaged and labeled form, meaning when they're sold loose or when they're packed but with no pre-packaging in the sense of branding or name or what, nothing else. So 0% if they are sold loose, and 5% only if sold pre-packaged and in a labeled form.
For paying the 28% GST on online gaming?
All of them have agreed to pass it with effect. Even if they have not passed it, first of all, they have agreed to pass it with effect from 1/10/2023 this year. I think the latest count was 18 that have already passed. Some 13 are pending to be passed, either an ordinance or an amendment through the act.
कसिनोच्या टॅक्स प्रकरणाचो विषय काउन्सिलात आयलो.
मागीर बाबा जीएसटीची मिटींग जाली दिल्ली, ऑनलायन गेमिंगाचो विषय परत येयलो मिटींगेन.
4-5 स्टेटींनी तो मुद्दो काडलेलो, इन्क्लुडींग गोवा. म्हणजे हांवें तेजे मातशें चर्चा केली. एकूच सांगलें की जे टॅक्सेशन तेंचेर घातला विथ रिट्रोस्पेक्टीव इफेक्ट, समजलो जेन्ना 28% ते चार्ज करताले आनी प्री जीएसटी एरा इट वॉज 18%. 5-6 वर्सां पळय ते घातला, तेंचे ते डिमांड रेज केला मोर दॅन 16,000 crore आणि तेंचे नेट वर्थ ओनली इज 4,000 crore. एनी कंपनी विथ अ नेट वर्थ of 4,000 crores obviously cannot pay 16,000 crore as tax. So हे मातशे correction करपा जाय. Nowhere it happens that any new tax imposed or rate of taxation is increased. It is never done with retrospective effect.
ओके, तेजेर रिलीफ मेळटली न्हू कंपनींका जेंचे टॅक्स?
ऑब्वियसली रिलीफ मेळपाकूच जाय, नाजाल्यार इंडस्ट्री बंद जाता न्ही. म्हाका दिसना जीएसटी काउन्सिलाची इच्छा आसा वा केंद्राची इच्छा आसा की खंयची इंडस्ट्री बंद जावची.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार.